Imagine having access to a tool that instantly creates eye-catching shorts, reels, and stories for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. AI ShortsPal, first-to-market AI app that lets you generate shorts, reels, and stories videos for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Generate shorts, reels, and stories videos in 60 seconds. Create YouTube Shorts videos in 100+ different languages. Create Instagram Reels videos in 100+ different languages. Create Facebook Stories videos in 100+ multiple languages. Generate shorts, reels, and stories video scripts in one click. Generate unique shorts, reels, and stories videos ideas. Generates TikTok Shorts videos from any text or keyword. Drag and drop shorts, reels, and stories videos editor. Advanced editing tools for images. Crop, rotate, grayscale, customize font size, font styles, etc. 50+ beautiful looking fonts to choose for your stories. Add powerful automated animation in stories. Unlock 100+ human-like voiceover. Unlock 50+ DIY shorts, reels, and stories videos templates. Unlock 100+ premium quality music. Add your own custom music. Save shorts, reels, and stories into draft for later use. Upload your own custom image. Download or share your shorts, reels, and stories in one click. 100% newbie-friendly. Easy to use one dashboard. No voiceover required. No script writing required. Inbuilt traffic source. Set up subdomains and advanced SSL. No domain and hosting required. No technical skills required. 24/7 premium support to solve all your issues on time. Commercial license included. Don't miss out this opportunity. Try AI ShortsPal now and see how it can transform your social media presence. Hit the link in the description now to watch AI ShortsPal in action.